Shuan, what are you doing?
Just getting ready for another long day of filming.
I know exactly what that means. You should really take care of your skin so that it looks healthy and radiant all day.
Yep, and you know what my secret is? Estée Lauder Advanced Night Repair! It just maximizes my skin's natural rhythm to repair itself at night and
Protect by day. Okay, so I've got to get ready for a night out. I'll talk to you soon, okay?
okay, bye
Bye.
girls! Hi Iman, are you back in the hotel?
Yep, and I'm maximizing every second of my beauty sleep with advanced night repair.
It repairs my skin at night so that I can wake up with radiant, even toned, and healthier looking skin.
Okay, now go. Get your beauty sleep.
You know I